So string.find will give you the first occurrence of whatever value you give it as a argument. So it's got 3 arguments. The value that you're looking for is required. You can specify a start and end as integers that are an index. So if you don't want to start at the beginning of a string, if you want to start halfway through and find something after that, it will do that. It will give you, remember, the first time it finds something. It will give you the index of the first character of the matching string. If it doesn't find it, it will return a -1. So in here, if I wanted to find out text, there we go, find, and the word 2. Okay, so it's going to print me the index of the word it finds, which is 8. So if we say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So now I know the location of that in the string. If it doesn't find what it's looking for, it will return a -1. So the find method is a really great way, a really easy way to find out if there's a specific character or a specific set of characters in any given string, because if it returns -1, you know it's not there. So sometimes we're looking to see if something is there or not there. And in that case, you want me to flip back? There you go. In that case, what we're looking for is it -1 or not? If it's any number other than -1, we know it's there. Sometimes we don't care where it is. We just want to know it's there. Yes. Yes. Case sensitive, for sure. Everything is case sensitive. Yeah, in Python, yes.